since this is a update, the judge raises the bail. The judge done raised the bail on the accused handyman killer. Remember we talked about that right here yesterday? A player who had done bammed on the handyman. The handyman turned around and ran after him and did not drop that square. And he stabbed him. He shanked him on up. Remember, like they gave him bail, like $5,000 bail when they were trying to, $500,000, or was it $50,000? It was $50,000 bail, and he was able to bond out with $5,000, which I think that the mama had done bond him on out. But the state was trying to, they was asking for a $2 million bail. He in court again. Here we go.
Sean Jemerson, the man accused of stabbing a handyman to death in Renton, was back in court today. The state trying to increase the 20-year-old's bail.
As Fox 13's Lauren Donovan reports, there was online outrage over the release of the accused killer the day after the 65-year-old was murdered.
And it looks like that impacted the state's decision. They now want him held on $2 million, saying the autopsy, which just wrapped up on Monday, also played a role, showing the timing of the stab wounds and the location.
Do y'all know what I ain't never really understood? Why do some autopsies take weeks? Didn't he just do this to Buddy? And they done did an autopsy already?
One was in the middle of the back. The state also referred to this Ring camera footage. In it, we see a clear altercation in the yard. The 20-year-old whacks the handyman from behind with a broom. The handyman then turns around and chases him. The defense says this stranger chased the 20-year-old into his own home. We don't know what happened inside the house. There was some sort of argument. The defense and Jemerson's mother do not want this video circulating anymore. The attorney says it makes her client unsafe.
The mama says she don't want the video circulating. Too late.
Thinks the characterization of him as a killer has led to the state considering an increase in bail. His mother spoke on his behalf today. She's worried about people seeking vigilante justice on him since the release.
She say that she is concerned that people is gonna look at him as a killer. Well, hold on. What I should have said yesterday when we did the story. What did the senior citizen do? I thought about it and I was like, wow, we did not even ask the question, what did the senior citizen do? My bad. So we don't know what he had done did, which had him to bam him in the back of the head twice with a broomstick.
People want to take matters in their own hand and attack my child. I feel like he's being tried before he even had an opportunity to have trial.
That's his mama. His mama is a little slim thick. Shot that baby out for having the front. I don't want to say that that's her real, but it looked like it could be her real because she got it in like a froze form and stuff. Go ahead.
Before he even had an opportunity to have trial.
I want to say that I have a significant amount of empathy for the family and a significant amount of frustration, frankly, for the public expressing a desire for vigilante justice.
The judge you just heard from there, Joanna Bender, is a different judge than the one who gave the first order setting bail at $50,000. This new judge says that was too low given the facts, but Jemerson does not have any priors. So they think for that reason the state's $2 million ask is too high. Instead, they landed on $500,000 bail, saying if he meets that, he'll be sent on house arrest with an ankle monitor.
Okay, so what we talking about is if mama can come up with not a 50,000 because we have 500,000, we just need 10% of that right there, and I think that's 50 grand. She may have to put the house up or something like that, or hell, she may know somebody that knows somebody that knows somebody. We're gonna have to put him on the anklet. We're gonna have to put him on the anklet so we can see his whereabouts, which I'm assuming that his only problem was with the senior citizen at the time. But I should have asked, and I know I'm always supposed to say, well, what did that person do to have that person to do what they had done did to you? So she's saying that people is talking about vigilante, being the vigilante, trying to run up on her son. You know what I'm saying? She like, we don't want that to happen. I don't want the tape out here, which the tape is already out here, so it's like too late. Once it hit the internet, it's a wrap, and I download everything. You know what I'm saying? So shout out to the mama who's standing up for her son, because now that I'm thinking, we don't know what he had done did. Hell, the senior citizen probably had done felt on little buddy. I don't put nothing past it. Listen. I expect humans to be humans. Moving right along, I ain't gonna eat much hold you.